Hello members, this is Aman again. This is the English version of our previous video which we have formed on bearish engulfing candle. It is on the request of our subscribers that we should also prepare the videos in English so that we can cater to a larger audience, particularly in South, who would like to view videos in English. So today we will be covering another important topic of technical analysis, that is bearish engulfing candle. So as you must be knowing, like if you have watched our video that was prepared by us on Friday, we have told you after that the hanging man pattern has been activated. As you can see, I'm like hovering over those candles. So the hanging man pattern was activated on Friday. So we told that there could be certain weakness in the market in the coming days, and today's candle somehow proves that, like share index went up, then came down sharply and closed at a very low value, a value that is below the hanging man's low and the candle that was formed on Friday as well. So it has given a very poor closing today, and the candle is quite huge. It is a huge bearish candle, we can say. So in technical analysis, it is generally said to be a bearish engulfing candle. So what do we mean by bearish engulfing candle? By bearish engulfing candle, we mean like the current candle has engulfed the previous bullish candle, has completely eaten or covered the previous bullish candle, indicating that the bullish trend that was supposed to come or that was in place already has been wiped off completely. So you can also go through the definition here itself. Bearish engulfing candle, the body of previous bullish candle gets eaten, covered by the current candle. So previous candle was formed on Friday and current candle is formed today, that is Monday, on 13/12/2021. So it is believed in technical analysis that the formation of bearish engulfing candle indicates further weakness in that particular stock index. So like when we look at a bearish engulfing candle, we can have a certain interpretation that certain amount of weakness may come in that particular stock or index in the coming days. It can come tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow, but yes, there is some sort of weakness. But as per my own experience or my own understanding of the market, I as an analyst believe that this could be a possible trap, because if we see that the selling that has come is mainly on account of profit booking, that is the shares went up in the morning and then they were like booked for profits. So it cannot be said that shares were in a constant selling and then then further selling has come in those shares. It is not like that. Shares went up and then thereafter they came down. So if you see the closing prices of most of the stocks, they will be nearly close to their selling prices that were on Friday. That is a good way of analyzing things. Nobody will tell you all these things, but I'm telling you here, you can check the current closing price of some of your stocks and compare that with Friday. Maybe some of your stocks have gone down today, but most of the stocks must have went up in the morning and then came down today and closed at near the prices that were the closing prices of Friday. So it could be a possible trap. It would not. Can we be sure? No, we cannot be sure. That we will come to know only tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. If trend reversal has to take place, it will be like within a day or two. So we will come to know about that. So how, like we are saying that could be a possible trap. If like I have to give you an example, you can see here. This is another example of bearish engulfing candle. Okay, this is the candle that engulfed the previous candle of 5th October. On 6th October, there was a bearish engulfing candle, and after that, a small candle formed, and the index went up like anything. So there was no further decline. So can we say that bearish engulfing candle can be relied on? You can, you may. We cannot be certain, because we have seen that in case of indexes, bearish engulfing candle doesn't work quite often. So I'm not sure. I'm not a god. Like I'm not a god. You should not take my words as final. But yes, we believe that it could be a possible trap to create fear in the minds of retailers that they should exit from their stocks, or like they should book profits so that big players can acquire these stocks at lower prices. So that we will come to know either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I can be 100% wrong. This is stock market. It is not in my control. It is only my experience, on the basis of which I am saying my experience can be shared in a day by the stock market. But yes, This is the way of analyzing things. Why would the stock market fall today? If you can identify a possible reason, yes, there might have been like crude prices are up and all those factors, but it doesn't make any sense. Like, so all the profits getting wiped up in a day. So that we will come to know in a day or two if this is a possible trap or the selling was genuine. So coming back to the like learning things, you can see that hanging man pattern got activated on Friday. Today, stock market went up, came down sharply, closed below hanging man pattern, and even the Friday's candle. This is actually a sign of weakness, but yes, in stock market, nothing can be. You cannot be 100% sure of anything. It can go up like anything. It can go down like anything. But yes, if you want to learn technical analysis, this is the way of learning things. You should not be biased. Always keep one thing in mind, that you should not be biased. If you're a bear, you should not be like, you should not think like, Are, yaar, it is like a bearish engulfing candle, so I should be selling more tomorrow. If you are a bear, you will have to think like a bull also. So always remember that never get biased either with the stock or with the index. So I'm repeating again, what is a bearish engulfing candle? Bearish engulfing candle basically indicates that the previous uptrend is somehow getting diminished by the power of bears. So they are able to control the market more. But does it indicate complete confirmation? No, it doesn't indicate that. You can come to know either the next day or the maybe within a day or two. So the definition of bearish engulfing candle is that the current red candle would cover the previous uptrend of previous candle completely. It can be complete body including wicks, or it can only be the real body. So different analysts use different methodologies, but it can be anyway. So you can say today's bearish engulfing candle confirmed. So if a bearish engulfing candle is formed, yes, as per technical analysis, it is believed that it indicates certain kind of weakness in the coming days, but nobody can be 100% sure of these things. These are all the like games for big players, so we don't know whether these things are going to work or not. So don't be biased about anything. Don't be certain about anything. Be uncertain, be prepared for risks, and be prepared for losses as well. So we hope that you would like this video in English as well. So in case you have any further queries, comments or concerns, you can post them in the comment section. Thanks a lot. This is Aman signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.